What's up, mga mga future kadete? We are discuss tayo dito yung division of algebraic terms. So, nag-divide tayo iti algebraic terms. Cut, divide the coefficients and subtract the exponents of like variables. So, no, ag-divide tayo, cut, nyaramidan tayo. Ito iti rule. So, here is the variable. The 2a here is the variable, and then the exponents are the m and n. Yeah? So in example number 1, we have the coefficient 6 and coefficient 2. Yeah? 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. And then what will you do to the exponents? So since x lang yan, meron yang invisible 1. So x, since parehas sila na x, you have to minus. Sumanod di ay exponent na. 3 lang, di ba? At 3. And then, you minus 1 kasi may invisible exponent 1 dyan. I-minus mo di ay iso nga naala dyan 3x minus 2. Now, in example number 2. Oh, parehas din ng variables. So, 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. Nyaramidam ijay exponents na. Since may makikita dyan, 4 minus 2, right? So, 12 divided by 3 cut equal 84. And then, kopyaom laang jay variable na. And then, jay in minus mo nga exponents na. So, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Anyamot ta aramidom no kastoy. Example number 3. So, anya aramidom. Apay nga nagbalin nga x lang diyay. So, ti aramidom, syempre, i-divide mo pa lang dyan number, which is, or, the coefficient. So, 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. Since may invisible na 1 dyan, since walang x yung kabila, ikopya mo siya. Tapos, since may invisible 1 dyan, sa may bandang y, invisible 1 dyan, pati dito. Pag minusin mo siya, anong nangyari kapag pinag-minus mo yung 1 and 1, invisible 1 and 1? Agbalin nga 0. So nga di answer na kat 5x. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.